Yeah, the way when you just dey happy now, they say now only your daughter. Na Davido recognize now, my people. Wahala be like bicycle, like seriously. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Davido and Choma. My people, wahala be like bicycle. Some women like not be small thing Sophia they do for Instagram, my people. For your mind now, una think say una don remove the joy wey dey between Choma and Davido. For una mind, una feel say una don remove am. Say you no go work out for 12 them again. Una lie. Devil, you are a liar. You know whether she don't get belle now for another one. You don't know. So una no know say this love of a thing una no know say if this head never reach where they go, you know they stand. I una no know. Then they use a make parable. They'll say unhuma for Bini. You will say unhuma se kenorie mudia. If head not reach where they go, you know they stand. Una no know say if head not reach where they go, you know they stand. You understand? You carry belle, you born. He tell you say one marry you. No. The other one come again, carry belle. Our baba two face. Now he first start am. Now he leg. Now all of them take. You understand? Now he first start am. I don't see anyone wake me inside. You understand? So if Davido can finally see the one way he love Choma, who not go love Choma before? Who not go love Choma? Which man? The man the Chris. We not go see that beauty in that girl. You know, be only fine for outside, inside too. Davido talk am. Say she's a good cook. He says it's when you no Choma, you not going to eat for outside again. You understand? When I think say if una take it fine. So Davido go come live and he come shock una when I see say he don't go pay bride price. Then not be say they did their spirit too. Now their tradition. Now their tradition. You see, the girl self, the way he take carry himself for Davido, now make Davido love him. No, she not that cheap, like seriously. She don't do say because say Davido get money, make it they do mumu. He give you picking fine. You not agree make Davido give a name because he never pay bride price. All of una notice say it be like una wait for cheap for Davido. What they do like mumu. Who give your pikin? They not be Davido. He marry you? No. Because una no get tradition. But Choma family, they get better tradition. Better one. Una think say una fit stop this time, this joy wey two of them get. No. Now just a matter of time. You go still forget. But it will still remain in number one joy. We be see we in with Davido be till they happy, it will still remain there. They will still remain their heart. This boy not the badge not lost the picking. Lost the picking too now for some people. He never still resting today. He don't still forget. Don't still born another one again. So now so it be. You understand? So Choma, God will if bring that one. He will still bring. In fact, if una maybe una self, una get money, make the video just go do this what's they call am? Not be what's they call am now, my people? This one where they plant, we go put am for not be IVF, abi. You say na IVF now. Wanna go do am? Make it just give you 3 at once. If na maybe you say money day. Just go do that one. Make it be 3. Then go just come at once. Make it shock them. Or 4. Make it just come at once. If that maybe you. Make you not even do direct way again. Just go do that one. Make it just give you 4. So that make it shock them. Make them know say nothing they happen. You just born them once. Money day. Make it shock them. And if you don't love Choma, and not the one I go fit do about am. You don't carry on take go sink. You not be the Choma you carry. All of una want just die. Una just see the love. Una say no. If we say maybe we just deal with time, you not go no more. We just carry a pikin. Una coffee say una don't do. No, una don't get joy. that pikin spirit not go let una rest. Now wetin una no know so. It not go let una rest. Except say na natural death, now you just die. Say not be natural, say una get on this side. Una will be all those side chick then. Say una get on this side, una go hear when. If person dates you, you no work out. Not by force. Not by force. Not by force. He promise you say one marry you. Even though he promise you, he not still work out, he not go rest. I better not be what's it that they call her precious and the mobile and so we they do ever since. We be say he engage her for social media. At the end, he say it make us not the wait. He say it make us not the wait. Not be it 12 they not consider again today. We be say because on assistant if now we better push and I give you that belly Sophia, you not go leave, you not go remove her. You not go remove her because you can see say na celebrity get money. If papa get money na billionaire son. Now all of them they push on her head. Two-Face not give women belly if I go beat a woman back. Okay, because they trauma and Davido be quarrel. When I be think say they not go settle again. Eja sorrow. So I don't know say they for settle again. Me no say they go settle. I know because anytime she post anything, Davido they comment put. I mean not for like they comment for. If they go there, he must comment put. Now it make me just like him. When I see the comment, even one time when she do her vat, I don't say Choma are very quiet and calm. She know the talk. Even me, I never see her talk like that. So I was shocked when I see say she do one advert for phone. The video go comment say Choma, hey, so you can talk, so you talk. The Choma can't put laugh. You understand? So my people, when I not feel stop this love, like the love is real. Like una no go fit stop am. Una no go fit stop the love. The love is real. The love is strong. The love is sweet. Like una go jealous that love before. Jealous and I go buy una o. Make una go find una love. Sophia, you know they do ever since. Sophia Momodu, you know they do ever since. You know they do black boys them. You know go leave Choma and Davido alone. You know they enjoy yourself. Yeah. Leave them alone. Make they do their own. Leave them alone. Leave the Sophia. God will not trust you right from time. Will not trust you. Because your officiality is too much. The time when they carry your pikin, they birthday, they do this, they do that. I know say you don't go pull leg for them. Maybe that one they pay you now. Because you say you see carry second belly again. Because that time you wear small thing. Wear small something where go just they attract Davido. Davido no want look you again. Now Choma now you want. You go pay no now. I wanna go see the wedding for next year. And that one go shock una pass. My people, make I put on make una see when I make sure the video, let the video go viral. Bye everybody. More I pray for Choma, make you recover fast.